Hello, let's drag this one here. We'll move to change the blending mode to multiply and make it smaller. Add a layer mask to the layer and let's hide some parts using the brush, painting with black. Okay, like this for now. Let's add some text. Which is relax. And I hit the caps lock key, so it's all capital letters. I'll open the character window from here and I'll pick a white color for the text. Change it to, I think, Bebas Neve, and choose bold. Now where to put it? I'll change the position, scale it a little bit. So like this. And I'll add a layer mask to the text. Again, paint with a black brush on it. And I pressed the caps lock key so that the brush tool tip will be visible. Now I'm revealing some of the hair, so it starts to look like it goes above the text. Okay. Maybe even make DR appear out of her skin using a bigger brush size, and I'm using 0% for the hardness. Now let's hide this part of the letter X, just like this. And I'm thinking now, I don't know, I'll just fill this layer mask with white because I didn't like the result. Now what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna pick the gradient tool, set it to reflected gradient, And using black and white, I'll hold the shift key and drag like this. But as I can see, it should be reverse if I'm dragging from the center. So we get this gradient, which is not too bad. I'll right click on my layer mask and I'll choose apply layer mask. I'll add the layer mask again. And this time again from the center, but upwards, holding the shift key, I'll drag another gradient. And this is the effect you get. I'll hit Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. And I'll lower the opacity. The idea being to make, you see, it darkens the colors, but I feel like it looks better without a duplicate layer. So what I'm gonna do is go to my text layer mask again, pick the brush tool, and I wanna make also some of the hair appear here above the letter L, just like this. And really not trying to make it look perfect, just painting with the brush and having fun. Okay, and now what else should I do, guys? I'll select the text layer, make sure it's selected. Again, bring my character window. I'll select the layer, the letter E. And from here, where it says set the baseline shape, I'll just bring it down to, let's see how this looks. Not too bad. So I brought it down to -77. Let's bring it even lower. I don't know. I like it better this way. And let's bring the letter A upwards. Let's type this time 30 and see what happens. I need some more. Let's set it to 65. Now I like it more. And next I'll go to my, hide this, go to my layers panel, add a hue saturation layer at the top, and I'll increase the saturation to +20. Do I need to do anything more? What do you guys think? I'll check what will happen if I add right here above the smaller figure a levels adjustment layer. I'll try making it even lighter and also darkening the blacks. So not too bad, I think. Maybe lightening some of the midtones. Then setting the opacity of the levels adjustment layer to about 50. This is before and this is after. Now you can zoom in, get back to text layer and just using white and black, changing between white and black with the X key and painting with the brush to make this line here look a little bit better. And I think this is gonna be it for this tutorial. Let me just have final look. I think I'll finally add a blank layer at the top of the layers. I'll go to image, apply image. I do this trick quite often in my tutorials. Next I'll go to filter, high pass to add some extra detail. I think 6.5 looks quite alright. Let's see. Yeah, around 6 looks fine. I'll hit OK and I'll change the blending mode to overlay or hard light. Hard light looks fine. So, not too bad. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to Damien Photoshop channel if you like it. And bye bye.